Higgsfield is one of the fastest-growing AI video platforms, built with one clear goal: to make high-quality video creation easy and accessible for creators. Right now, the AI community is buzzing about Kling 3.0, the next major update in Higgsfield's video generation lineup. In this video, I'll break down everything we know so far about Kling 3.0, what creators are expecting, and why this release could be a big step forward for AI video generation. Before that, here's some of the Kling video samples from older versions so that you can know how good Kling 3 will perform and produce results.
Sir, I have a secret to tell you.
Here is difference between other models.
Motion wasn't quite as dynamic, and it accidentally put the drone inside the frame. But the image quality itself was actually pretty good. One handled the camera movement better, but struggled to generate the new environments as the drone flew down. Sora looked a bit glitchy and noisy. It understood the camera move we wanted, but it just wasn't as smooth as we'd hoped. Objectively, Kling gave us the best result here. Are really on point here. The cape and hair react naturally to the wind, and the lighting on his face syncs perfectly with the movement. Plus, the camera work is exactly what we asked for. Veo didn't quite nail the specific camera move, but the shot still looks great and has its own vibe to it. One had a consistency issue, where the frame started getting brighter as the camera went up. Honestly though, all the outputs here look pretty solid, so we'll call this one a tie.
Warning. Unknown update has been deployed. A machine too powerful for this world. It creates visuals beyond reality, beyond dreams themselves. Vision bends to its will. Dimensions collapse at its touch. Motion surrenders to its grasp. Something emerges from nothing. It obeys without question. It reads every emotion. They say it's just a tool, but we know the truth.
Kling 3.0 has not been officially released yet, but all current signals suggest it could be the next major step toward professional AI video generation. Based on public updates, platform behavior, and community discussions, Kling 3.0 appears to be moving toward a unified video system, instead of separate tools for generation, transformation, and refinement. Everything is expected to work together in one smooth workflow. Creators are also noticing a strong shift toward longer and more stable video generation. The goal seems to be maintaining temporal coherence, visual stability, and character consistency across longer clips, rather than short, disconnected outputs. Another important expectation is structured multi-scene generation. Instead of creating single clips, Kling 3.0 3.0 may allow multi-shot sequences where camera movement, pacing, and scene flow are guided directly by the prompt. This would move Kling closer to a cinematic, production-ready AI video tool. Subject consistency remains one of the biggest challenges in AI video, and Kling 3.0 is expected to improve this by keeping characters, objects, and environments more stable across shots and motion. When we look at recent Kling releases together, a clear progression appears. Kling 2.6 focused on audio and lip sync improvements. Kling 01, also known as Omni, improved multimodal reasoning and scene continuity. Motion control updates focused on better physics and camera movement. Combined, these features form the foundation of Kling 3.0. Many creators also expect major upgrades such as native 4K video output, higher frame rates like 60 frames per second, regional and painting for selective video editing, improved character interactions, and longer generation durations that could reach 30 to 60 seconds. Overall, Kling 3.0 is not being positioned as an experimental update. Instead, it looks like a step toward a production-ready AI video system focused on reliability, consistency, and creative control. This could significantly reduce the gap between AI-generated video and traditional professional production workflows.